Yes, take me 5 minutes, Keegan. Okay, we're live. Say hi to Keegan, you guys. We are live and recording. Okay, so what we need to do, hi Star, I'm recording, but come on in, okay, is today we're talking about solving logarithms equations. So I started out with this problem, and I started with log base 3 of 3x plus 4 equals log base 3 of 5x minus 8. So if it's log of this equals log of this, then obviously what's equal is the 3x plus 4 equal to the 5x minus 8. So I just cancel out the log base 3, and I just solved. Okay, so then I'm going to solve 3x plus 4 equals 5x minus 8. Easy peasy. Minus 3x is 2x plus 8 is 12. Divide by 2 and you get 6. Now wait a minute. We got to be careful of our answers because logarithms can't be negative and logarithms can't be 0. So we check our answer. So I put 6 back in here. Oh yeah, I'm okay. Or 6 back in here. It's not going to be 0 and it's not going to be negative. I am good. Okay, thank you, Star. So then the second piece of this is, let's take a look at another problem. Now this one's different because there's no log base 2 over here. So I can't cancel log 2. There's no log 2. But what I can do is change it to exponential form. So I'm going to go 2, because that's my base, to the 4th power. 2 to the 4th power equals the 3x plus 1. So I went from log form to exponential form. To the 4th power is 16, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. And then I just solved. Minus 1 is 15, divided by 3. Bye, Parker. Parker, you're an amazing young man. There you go. It's on tape now. Divide by 3 is 5. Is 5 okay? Yeah. Just can't be 0 or a negative. Okay? All right. Then I have example 3. Okay, here's my example 3. It's going to be a natural log, but before I do anything, I better divide by 2, divide by 2. So I get 2 ln of 3x plus 1. Divide by 2, I get a 6. And then ln is base e, so it's log base e. So I'm going to do the same thing I did in the last example, except base e. So I'm going to go e to the 6. E to the 6th power, change from log form to exponential. E to the 6 equals 3x plus 1. What is e to the 6? I used my calculator. And e to the 6 is about 403, so check it out. E to the 6th power, about 403. And then I'm just going to solve. Minus 1 is about 402.43. Then divide by 3, and I get an answer about 134, which is okay. That's a positive answer. I'm okay with that, okay? Finally, the last example, saved the hardest for last. And here is the hardest. So, here's my question. I have log of x plus log of x plus 48 equals 2. I really want to do this, but I can't do this until I combine these two logs to make it a single log. So I go back to the rules we did a couple of days ago. If it's plus, I can bring the two logs together as times. So here's a invisible times sign right here because I got plus. So I've got x times x plus 48 equals 2. Now I'm going to change it to my exponential form, but I got to remember I've got an invisible base, right? So my invisible base is log base 10. Okay, now let's change it from log form to exponential form. So 10 to the 2 power equals the x squared plus 48x because I just distributed, right? Right now it's just an algebra problem. So 10 to the 2nd power is 100. I bring over the 100 because I'm going to need to factor. I factor this and I get an x plus 50, x minus 2, but I'm solving my mini equation, so I get x equals negative 50 and x equals 2. Now negative 50 is not going to work. In fact, if you try and plug it in, you go log of negative 50, you're going to get an error because it can't be negative, so you throw out the negative 50. Okay, that's all I have. There was a homework assignment that went along with this. Any questions, come see me. Okay, that's all I got. I gotta load this video.